Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Mailchimp e-commerce tracking with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will walk through updating Mailchimp e-commerce tracking with Shopify. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account tab in the bottom left corner. Next, click on Extras and select API keys from the drop-down menu. Now, create a new API key if you don't have one. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab and log into your Shopify store. Go to the Shopify admin panel and click on Apps. In the Apps section, click on Manage Private Apps. If you don't have a private app set up, ensure that you allow access to read and write under Products, Variants, and Collections. Once this is done, save your private app and make sure to copy your API key and password. Now, head back to your Mailchimp account. Go to the Audience tab and select Settings. Scroll down to the Webhooks section. Click on Create New Webhook. Paste your Shopify store URL followed by /admin/API/2021-0. Select the events you want to track, such as order created and order updated. In the Basic Auth section, input your Shopify. Click Save. Next, return to your Shopify admin panel. Go to Online Store and select Themes. Click on Actions and then Edit Code. Locate your theme.liquid file and add the Mailchimp tracking code just before the closing /head tag. Make sure to customize the tracking ID as necessary. Once you have made these changes, click Save. Finally, verify that the Mailchimp tracking is working correctly by performing a test transaction on your Shopify store. Check your Mailchimp account to see if the order data appears as expected. This completes the update process for Mailchimp e-commerce tracking with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.